AMGA, AMGA, AMGA. Y'all know what it is, baby. You with your boy Ampmuscle. Live and direct, man. Hope y'all doing all right today, man. We're going to get a quick workout in, man. So y'all comment, like, subscribe if y'all new to the channel. And let's get it rolling, man. All right. Start with some hammer curls real quick. We're going to get a good, quick pump, guys. This is going to go quick, so come on with me. Come on. 8, 9, 10, switch, come on. 1, 2, come on. 3, come on. 4, 5, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Regular curl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Woo, I had to make the last 2 hammer curls. Come on. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Good job. Woo. All right. 35. Grab that 20. Let's roll right into it, baby. 1, 2, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, baby. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, yes, sir. Putting in that pump, guys. So went from heavyweight to lightweight to resistance, you guys. So let's keep it rolling, guys. We'll get this pump real quick. Ooh, come on. 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Big biceps. Yes, sir. That's what we're working on, baby. Getting the biceps big real quick. Real quick. Change the weight. All right. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Put in that work, you guys. So again, allowing the muscle to expand as much as possible, feeding it and allowing it to rest is how you grow, baby. You with Ampmuscle, man, showing you how to get a good pump. All right, so we're working the arms today, getting a good pump. Come on. It's gonna roll quick, guys. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, baby. 9, 10. Yes, sir. Good pump on the muscle, guys. Come on, let's keep it going. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo. All right. Allowing the muscle to expand, rest, getting that good pump, guys, in no time, all right? All natural IBB Pro Ampmuscle, man. Thank y'all for coming along to the channel, baby, because we always like to put in work, because hard work pay off, baby, every day. 3, come on, 4, 5, come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, woo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 10. Yes, sir, baby. Put in that work, man. So again, allowing the muscle to get all the expansion on it and opening it up as you work it out is how it grows, baby, all right? So if you just seen this video, you just seen me grow 2 inches of biceps. Big biceps, big biceps. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come on, 7, 8, come on, 9, 10, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yep, ooh, 10, woo-wee. Yes, sir. As you see, we got a good pump going. Real good pump, all right? Getting that bicep real big. And that's how you grow. It's just pumping the muscle, pumping the muscle, pumping the muscle, eat, rest, and eat. Come on, baby. Come on in, baby. Comment, like, subscribe, baby. It ain't even hard. Y'all ain't seen that muscle pick up no heavy steel today. So you can work out at home, you guys. It's easy to get it at home. Not necessarily easy, but if you put in the work, you don't got to drive all the way to the gym at your crib, all right? But make sure you get to the gym so you can expand and work different parts of the body. I'm gonna jump into a little shoulder real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo! Yes, sir, guys. Getting that good pump, getting that good sweat. See me sweating? Yes, sir, baby. Putting in that work. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. Got that heart rate up, guys. Pushing myself. Getting that work done. Hump day. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roll on with me. 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're hitting different areas, you guys, allowing the muscle to not get used to what you're doing to it, all right? So guess what, guys? That's a workout, man. Just that quick. Yes, sir. Don't take 3 hours to get that pump, man. Get that sweat, man. Just go off in there, grab the weight, and get to work. Comment, like, subscribe, baby. You with your boy Ampmuscle, man. Putting in that work for you guys, man. So I appreciate you guys coming along today. And again, comment, like, subscribe if you have any questions. I'll be free to answer any question, man, that you have, because fitness is a lifestyle, you guys, all right? So the harder you're willing to work, the more you're willing to gain, man. That's the motto I live by, because again, what you put in, you get out, baby. AMGA, health is wealth, baby. All natural IBB Pro. See you on the next video.